Hey folks, just here. Welcome back to the homestead. Hey, you got some things happening up here this week. Finally. Got some heavy equipment up here, another dozer. Should have a backhoe up here any day also. Trying to get some stuff taken care of up here. Let me flip you around here and show what we got going on. Beautiful morning up here on the homestead this morning, nice and cool. So what I got going on right here, I'm getting a trailer pad put, a mobile home pad, and right now me and my family, we live in a mobile home, and we was planning on building up here on the homestead this year, but with the crazy prices of lumber and getting hard getting building materials, we decided to put that on hold for a little while. So we're going to go ahead and get a pad put in for a mobile home in case we decide to move that on up here sometime. But we was planning on moving up here this summer, but kids are about to go back to school, and I really don't want to put my kids through that moving process while they're in school this year, just because the turnaround time on moving a mobile home, I'm thinking it might take me a month or two just to get the thing moved up here. So I'd hate them for be staying at my in-laws or my folks or for 60 days and take them out of their norm while they're trying to learn at school. So we're gonna go ahead and get the pad put in, and if lumber prices stay the same as it is right now next year, we'll just go ahead and move that mobile home up here and get up here on the homestead. So y'all folks see them T-posts there? There's two there. And two more right there. So that's where the septic system's going. So I got the dozer up here, and that's what the backhoe will be coming up here for. We're gonna go ahead and put a septic system in. Well, I got the guy up here. We're gonna get all that knocked out, so we'll be ready to go. Just depending on which way we go, building or moving the mobile home up here. So also, I got the dozer guy up here. He's gonna be finishing out this last bit of driveway I got to get right here, connect to the old driveway, and connect it up here where the house is gonna go in the future. So we're gonna get all this knocked out this week, hopefully. Well, folks, we're getting some shell brought in now. Get a little shell brought in, get a little spread for this mobile home pad in case we ever need it. So it's getting there little by little. Moving dirt. What he's doing right now, he's building a pad for a mobile home, just in case we decide to move our mobile home up here on the homestead. Well, folks, getting the septic system dropped in today. Got the tank in. You can see the distribution box over there, and they're starting to dig lateral lines for the system. So a lot of big things going on up here on the homestead. But it's looking good. They're doing some good work, and I sure do appreciate it. Well, folks, the homestead's officially turned into a construction site. Well, folks, got the septic system all covered up. Looks good, smoothed out real nice. Also got the rest of my driveway done. That looks real good too. Well, folks, it's been a pretty busy past couple of weeks. Moving a lot of dirt up here, bringing a lot of gravel in for driveway, getting a septic system put in. So next thing I got to do, get hold of the electric company and about getting some power moved. I got power up here. I just need to get a pole and a transformer moved. So I'll get with their engineers and try to get that taken care of. That's the next step. But well, folks, appreciate you watching the channel and see what's going on up here at the homestead. Always something going on. But hope y'all having a great day, and we'll catch y'all on the next video. God bless y'all.